Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now we're going to learn about bevel and emboss. So if you want to apply some kind of 3D style in your text, or if you want to make more attractive in a text style, in that case you must have to apply the bevel and emboss. And when you will apply the bevel and emboss to your text, it will be more active and it will be more attractive. So let's start the process from the beginning. So at first, what we have to do, we have to create a document, and you know how to do that. You just have to go for file menu, new option, and here is my default document size that's I was using for my last lessons. So I'm picking this one, so you just have to select it, and then you have to go for create option. Okay, so this is my document, and I have to type a text because we are going to apply the bevel and emboss for our text, and therefore you have to type a text. And as an example, I'm going to write opened online. Okay, opened online. Here is my text, and I want to apply bevel and emboss to this text, so it will be more attractive in look. So here is my text, and for committing the performance, you can press the Control or Enter button from your keyboard, or you can just use this tick mark. Okay, now our text layer is added in here, and now we are going to apply the bevel and emboss in here. And you know where you have to find the bevel and emboss option? You will find the bevel and emboss option inside this effects option. So let me click this effects option, and you will have this bevel and emboss option in here. So let me select it from here. So this is my pop-up, and you can see here all the values are 0 now, and nothing is applied to our text. But if you want to add the bevel and emboss, you have to work with these three things, especially for depth, size, and soften. And the technique, the shading, the angle, these are the different things. But basically, you have to work with the depth, size, and soften. Okay, so let me increase the value of depth, size, and soften. Then you will have the preview inside our text. So let me increase depth for 105%. Let me increase the size, and you can see here the bevel and emboss is applied to my text, and I just applied 9 pixels. Please keep an eye on this text, and I'm reducing the size. Bevel and emboss is disappeared. Bevel and emboss is appeared. Disappeared, appeared, disappeared, appeared. Okay, so right now I have 13 pixels, and now time for soften. So let me increase the soften. Okay, you can see now, right now we have a very good soften in here. And now if you want to increase the depth, you can increase the depth as well. And here is the output. And if you want to increase size in more, you can do that, but increasing size is not a good practice, but I'm showing you for learning. So I used 84 pixels, and here is the output. So as I was saying, increase of size is not a good practice. 13 pixel, soften, I think 10 pixel looks good, and depth 136% is fine for applying the bevel and emboss. And you can see the change of my text style. Okay, now let's focus on style. We have inner bevel, outer bevel, as I was saying, and we learned in the last lesson, like in stroke and in gradient. So this is the style, and this is the inner style. So if you want to apply the outer bevel, you can select this one, and here is the outer bevel is applied. This is the emboss. This is the pillow emboss, and this is the stroke emboss. Okay, but the good practice is using the inner bevel. Okay, now the inner bevel is applied. And if you want to change the direction, you can change the direction from here. Right now we have the up direction, but if you want to use instead of up direction, you can use the down direction. So let me select this one, and you can see the direction of the bevel is changed, up, and here is down. Okay, so let me keep in up. And now time for changing the angle or shading. So right now we have 90-degree angle, but if you want to change the angle of the bevel and emboss, you can change it. Here is the pointing, and you can see here the bevel angle is changed. Right now I have -2 in value. Now I have -80. Now I have 171. I have 102. So this seems really looks fine. Okay, so we have the bevel and emboss applied in here, and now time for gloss contour. So when you will click your mouse in here, a different type of preset will be available. Let me click. So as I was saying, different type of preset will be available, so you can pick any preset from here. So which preset you want to apply, you just have to select it. So as an example, let me pick this one, and you can see here that this gloss contour is applied. So let me pick this one. This is my default. This is another. This is another. This one is another. Okay, so depend on your choice, you can pick any gloss contour from here, and once it's done, you just have to click OK. So let me click OK. Okay, here we go. You can see here, along with our text layer, we got bevel and emboss layer that is added with our text. So let me turn this bevel and emboss layer off, and you can see here we have our normal text. Let me turn it on. We have bevel and emboss added to our text. So this is how you will apply bevel and emboss to your text in Adobe Photoshop.